How to add layers in DaVinci Resolve. First of all, open your project and go to the edit page where you'll find your timeline. This is the main area where you'll add and manage your layers. Now, drag your first video or image clip onto the timeline. This will act as your base layer. Next, to add another layer, simply drag a second clip and place it above the first one on a higher preview track. DaVinci Resolve automatically creates new tracks when you drop a clip above an existing one. Each video track you add becomes a new layer, with the top layers visually appearing in front of the ones below. If you want to organize your layers better, you can rename each track by clicking on the track header. This is helpful when you are working with multiple elements like overlays, text, and effects. To add text as a layer, go to the effects library, then to titles, and drag a title into a new track above your video. You can adjust its position and duration just like any other clip. The same method works for adding images or graphics as a layer. Also, don't forget about audio layers. You can layer background music, dialogue, and sound effects by adding audio clips into different audio tracks below the video timeline. And that's it. Now you know how to add layers in DaVinci Resolve. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.